Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Macrame DIY by a Buy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute and super convenient macrame flower phone wrist strap. It's easy, and anyone can make it. Here are the materials we'll need. 3mm braided cords in 3 different colors, a keychain clasp, a measuring tape, scissors, and some glue. Detailed materials. 2 20cm braided cords in cream pink, 1 100cm braided cord in cream pink, 1 200cm braided cord in light red, 1 400cm braided cord in white, and 2 keychain clasps. Remember to tap the like button so I'll have more motivation to create even more cute design. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. First, thread one end of the light red cord through the keychain clasp and pull it until the clasp sits right in the center of the cord. Do the same with the white cord. Step 2. Use the 20cm cream pink cord to wrap and secure the top using a wrap knot. Trim the excess cord and add a little glue to keep the ends tight and neat. Step 3. Use the white cord to tie the square knots. On each side, we'll tie 2 knots in a row to keep the body neat and even. Step 4. In this step, we'll create a light red flower with a cream pink center. Use the 100cm cream pink cord to create the center of the flower. rewatch this part or check out the detailed flower knot tutorial on the channel for more accuracy. Next, we'll tie 4 more square knots using the white cord and create another flower, exactly as we did in steps 3 and 4. If you want to master the knotting techniques, make sure to hit like to follow along. You can also rewatch the detailed tutorials for each knot in the channel's playlist to practice with better accuracy. Step 5. Create the spiral knots using the white cord. This will form the main length of the strap, so make sure each twist is even and consistent. We'll make around 120 spiral turns. If you want a longer strap, you can increase the number of turns. If you prefer it shorter, simply reduce the count. Just remember to prepare a longer cord during the setup step, so you won't run out of cord midway. And if you find this design irresistibly cute, feel free to share the video so your friends can make one too. Step 6. After completing about 120 spiral turns, we'll move on to tying 2 light red flowers with cream pink centers, with 2 square knots on each side. Repeat the same techniques used in steps 3 and 4 to ensure this section is symmetrical with the other end of the strap. Step 7. Next, thread all the remaining cord ends through the second clasp. Fold the cords back and leave about 2 centimeters between the last square knot and the clasp to keep everything balanced. Then, use the remaining 20 centimeters cream pink cord to tie a securing wrapping knot. We wrap the wire, adjust and tighten it so that the knot is secure and looks more beautiful. Finally, trim and hide the cord ends, and add a small amount of glue to make the finishing section firm and neat. Ta-da! And we're done. Our floral macrame phone strap is complete. It's cute, sturdy, and surprisingly versatile. You can use this strap for so many things, attaching to your phone, wristlet pouch, keys, or even as a decorative accessory for your backpack. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more beautiful macrame designs I'll be sharing soon. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next DIY project.